Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially those old ways. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss another episode. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Welcome back to another episode of What to Look For on Sale. And this time we're talking about what to find on sale in the month of December. So I have been out looking at the deals and looking through my old posts, and here's what I have got for you to watch for on sale in the month of December so that you can stock up your pantry. Things to look for. I have a whole list. Let's go through them one by one together, okay? Anything for baking, flour, salt, and all those different kinds of sugars, white, powdered, and brown, are all on sale for Christmas baking. Be sure to pick up a few extra. Remember to take an inventory on your spices and pick up extra for this summer. Mangoes are on sale right now, really cheap. And in fact, all citrus fruit are coming into season in the U.S., and you'll not see prices cheaper except in the winter. Sweet potatoes and yams are on sale. Again, pick up a few extra to can. I saw them as low as 25 cents a pound. In fact, right now in the USA, all root vegetables are at a good deal. Butter, this is actually a picture this week at my local Walmart at $2.98. I saw hams this week for 97 cents a pound at my local Walmart. It won't be this cheap again until Easter time rolls around. Turkeys are on sale, and watch for those after Christmas clearances to get a few extra a can.